Now come to the part F. Arrange these fractions in ascending and descending order. As you can see, students, the value in the denominator are same, 11, 11, 11, 11 and 11. Alright. So what is different? The numerator is different in each fraction. So we will compare the numerator to write in ascending and descending order. It means that the smallest value will come to the first in ascending order, 2 by 11. Then we will write 3 by 11. After that we will write 5 by 11. And after that we will write 6 by 11. Then 8 by 11. Alright, this is the ascending order. Now come to the descending order. We will change as a whole. Alright, first we will write 8 over 11, because in descending order we will write first the greatest number, then we will come towards the lowest numbers. 6 by 11, 5 by 11, 3 by 11 and 2 by 11 respectively. Alright, now come to the last part. In this question you can see that the numerator and denominator have different values. To write in ascending and descending order, first we will take the LCM of denominator. So first we are taking the LCM 9, 12, 18, 24 and 20. First we will divide with the smallest prime number. 2 6 is 12, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4, 2 10 is 20. Now again with 2, 2 3 is 6, 9 will come as it is, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10. Further we will divide with 2, 9, 3 will come as it is, 9 will come as it is, because 9 and 3 are not divisible by 2. So 2 3 is 6. 5 will come as it is. The next prime number will be 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 5 will come as it is. 3 1 is 3, 1 will come as it is, 3 1 is 3, 1 will come as it is, and 5. 1s are 5. Alright, now taking LCM, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 and multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 72 and 72 5s are 360. It means that the LCM comes 360. Now we will multiply 360 by each fraction. Alright, now we will divide. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 0 will come as it is. 12 1s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 0 will come as it is. 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 0 will come as it is. Now 24 1s are 24 and 24 15s are. Now we will divide 360 by 20, 21s are 20 and 21s are 20 and 28s are 68. Now by multiply 40 by 6 will come 240, 30 by 5 will come in 150. Now after multiplying we get these answers. Now we are writing in ascending order first. So the smallest number will come to the first, 150, then comes 160, then it comes 180, after that it comes 240 and then 270. Alright, now according to this pattern we will write the fractions. 5 by 12 will come first, 8 over 18 will come to this second, next 12 over 24 will come, after that 6 by 9 comes, and after that 15 over 20 will come at the end. It means that 15 over 21 is the largest fraction in these fractions. Alright, now we are writing in descending order. Now we will just reverse the process. 270, 240, 180, 160, and after that 150. Alright, now we will write the greatest fraction at the first. 15 by 20, 6 by 9, comma, 12 over 24, comma, 8 over 18, comma, 5 by 12. 5 over 12. It means that 5 over 12 is the smallest fraction in these fractions. Now come to the part G. Put the symbols less than or greater than in the boxes. So let's look. First question, 8 into 2 by 3 and 6 into 3 by 4. Firstly, for this purpose we will multiply 8 and 3. 8 3s are 24 and 24 2 plus 2 is 26 by 3. Now 6 4s are 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 over 4. Now we will multiply this 3 by this 27. 3 multiply 27 and 26 multiplied by this 4. Alright, it's just like the cross multiplication. Now the answer is 104, 81. Now you will compare that either 104 is greater or 81 is greater. As we know that 104 is greater than 81, so we'll put the sign of greater than. Alright, we can check by multiplying 27 by 3. 3 7s are 21. 1 will come here. 2 will be carried. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Alright, this is the 81. Now we will multiply 26 by 4. 6 4s are 24. 2 will be carried. 2 4s are 8 plus 2 is 10. It means 104 will come. Alright. Now the remaining two parts you will do by yourself. Thank you.